the bugs out of your apples? They look pretty good.
Well, that's a great question. You're always asking good questions. Well, one thing you can tell about this garden is that our philosophy for gardening is not to grow things by themselves and to grow as much diversity as we can everywhere. And so one thing that a much smarter person than me said was that our orchards, our produce is going to be plagued. He said about apples specifically, that the western orchard, he's from Japan, will be plagued by apple maggot and insect problems until we realize one fundamental rule of growing plants. And that is when you grow one type of plant, you attract one type of bug. When you grow many types of plants, you attract many, many types of bugs, and it achieves a natural balance. There's a great unity in diversity. And so as we stand in this garden and you see the sunflowers, these are all fennels that are going to flower. The sunflowers that are coming up, we haven't seeded a sunflower in this garden in over 4 years. And that's another thing with no-till, is that the garden has a consciousness all of its own. So we let things just come and grow as they're supposed to. And then we grow an understory crop of our own greens, and so we call it leaf garden. One, because we harvest greens out of here for our salad bouquets. If you get our prana mix at the markets, you know about that. But two, because if you look at this from above, we're actually standing in a garden that's the shape of a leaf right now. And you're in the central vein of the leaf, and all these little offshoots are the side veins. So it's the leaf garden. And this was our first garden that we ever made. So it's about 6 years old now, 7 years old.